So welcome for today's class of reasoning and aptitude for bank exam. Coding and decoding is today's topic is coding and decoding. Okay, this is very important for bank exam or any other competitive exam. So let me start. Today's topic is coding and decoding. Okay, so first you can write down coding and decoding. Coding is a method of expressing something in secret way, and here it is given. Okay, what is coding? Coding is a method of expressing something in a secret way, whereas decoding is a process to understand a code language. Okay, decoding is a process to understand a code language. So I can take down this. Decoding is a process to understand a code language. Okay, so here the definition of coding and decoding is given. Coding, remember, it is something in secret way, and decoding is a process of understanding a code language. So next, moving towards the word coding, or you can say substitution coding. So you can write down, in word coding, some particular words are assigned certain substitutes names. Then a question is asked that is to be answered in the substituted code language. Okay, next let us see the example of this. We are talking about, the topic is word coding or substitution coding. Under that I am giving an example. I can take down this. In India, if India is called Germany, Germany is called Japan, and Japan is called Britain, the Tokyo is the capital of which country? Obviously option D is the correct option. Now why option D is the correct option over here? Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Right? It is given that Tokyo is the capital of which country? Japan, and Japan is called Britain. Okay? Japan is called Britain. So Tokyo will be capital of what? Japan. So next, moving towards the next example, let us see. I can take down this example. Now next, moving towards the next example. Okay, you all can see this example over here. If this is a second example, in a certain code language, book is coded as 5 asterisk, and pen is coded as like this. Okay, hashtag S7. Then how will bone be coded in same language? So you all can take down this. So for book, what it says? For book, it says that BOOK, right? For book. So for B, it is what? 5 at the rate and asterisk, right? So here for pen, it will be what? PEN. It will be like this, then like this, and here N is 7, right? So bone, for bone it will be what? Let me do it here. BONE. For bone it will be what? For B it is 5. For here O it is at the rate. For N it is 7. For E it is like this. Right, so which option will be the correct option? From this, can you all see? 5 at the rate 7 this. So option B is the correct option, right? So here option B is the correct option. Next, you all can see this thing explanation part over here. For book, it was given like this from the question. And for pen, it is given like this. Okay, so bone, it will be what? 5. Okay, for B, it will be 5. Okay, O is taken from here. Okay, N is taken from here, and your E is taken from here. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the explanation part. Now moving towards the next. Okay, let us see the letter coding. Okay, you all can take down the letter coding. Okay, Letter coding. In letter coding, letters are used in forward or backward or in both directions for making some code languages. In some questions, letters of a word are directly replaced by the other letters. For example, word picture, here code, and this FLXDZDEM. So this into this, this into this. So let us see. Picture, PICTURE, and are replaced by this. So this picture is replaced by this, okay, respectively. In the code we can write the word price or film, okay. So let us see how to do this with the help of an example. So first let you all can take down the example. I have given you all the explanation part also. In a certain language, if the code for peacock is this, then what is the code of for elephant in the given in that language? Letter of the word is peacock are written in reverse order as code. Therefore, the code of elephant will be this. So peacock is written as what? Reverse order. K. Suppose this is peacock, okay. P E A COCK. Now this was written as ulta, right? KCOCAEP, okay. So obviously this also for elephant also it should be opposite, ulta, right, from reverse. So how we will write this elephant as elephant, right? PHANT. So it will be TN. So anyway you all can see TN. Yeah, so this will be the word TNAHPELE. So obviously option C is the correct option, okay. So I hope you all have understood the solution for this one, which option, why it is option C is the correct option. I hope you all have understood. Next, moving towards the next example. So let us see this example over here. If in a certain code triangle is written as AIRTELGN, then how will hexagons be written in the same code? So let us see, okay. Now this triangle is given, right? This triangle word is given. Now first, what is it? TRIANGLE, right? From this you can see these 4 words and other 4 words, okay. You have to write this as AIRT. You got AIRT over here, yes. Then here it will be reverse order, ELGN, okay. ELGN. Are you all getting? So same way what you'll have to do over here is write this HEXAGONS. So see the first and the other 4, okay. First I'll have to see the first 4. Do it reverse, AXEHSNOG. See if you all are getting, okay. Just see if you all are getting this. AX, anyway, in this you all are getting no, in this you all are getting no, in this you all are getting AX, no, right? Now option D you all are getting AX, you all are getting EHSNOG, okay. There might be a printing mistake over here. There might be some printing mistake over here, okay. Otherwise option, okay, this should be E. Over here it should be E, okay. Or else if it is not E, then option E is the correct option, okay. So here you all have understood, no? Your option D is a correct option. There was a printing mistake, so it is E, okay. So next, moving towards, so here the explanation part is given over here, okay. Now let us see the next example. See triangle, first part will give you like this, second part will be like this, reverse. Same way, first part will be like this, second part will be like this, reverse. Okay, explanation of this concept. Next, let us see towards the next example. If going is coded as I, Q, K, P, L, then how is the word along coded in that language? So from this, which option you think can be correct option? So going is coded as G-O-I-N-G. You are writing G-O-I-N-G. Is coded as what? I-Q-K. So here it is I-Q-K-P-I. So G-H-I-O-P-Q-I-J-K-N-O-P-G-H-I. So same way, what it says is along is coded as. Now write down. Here you what you are writing, A-L-O-N-G, right? I hope you all can see this part clearly, okay? So you all can see over here A-L-O-N-G, along. Okay? So you can write it like B-C-L-M-N-O-P-Q-N-O-P-G-H-I. So obviously, what you all are going to get is, you will have to see this C-N-Q-P-I. So along is what? C-N-Q-P-I, right? So which option is the correct option? Option A is the correct option from this, okay? Next, moving towards the next part. Next example is this. Some letters or their codes have been given below, okay? Here the letters are given. So here you all can see that some letters are and their codes have been given below, okay? Here the letters are given along with the codes, okay? So the code for the beach is what? You all can see here. Directly let me write down. B-E-A-C-H. Okay. Here what is for B? It is 8. For E it is J. For A it is D. For C it is 5. And for H it is Y. So option D is the correct option. Okay. So you all can write down this. Explanation: we observe that a given table and take the codes for each letter and find the code for the word beach, which is 8JD5Y. Okay. So this is how you'll have to find out. Okay, let me rub this part. The explanation part is right over here. Okay. Next, moving towards the next topic. So the topic is number coding. In number coding, in number coding, numerical are assigned to words. Example, if France is coded as 539627 and Egypt is coded as 57810, and how will center be coded? So let us see how the France is coded as. So the France is coded as this. France is coded as this. France is coded as this numbers, and Egypt is coded as this number. Okay, this is Egypt and the code is this. France, for this, it is like this. Okay. So now they are asking for the center. CENTER. Let us see what is the code for the center. Okay, you all can see directly. C is in which place? 2, right? So write down 2. Then E 4, N 6, T will be 0, E will be 4. Wait, CENTER. For E it is what? 4, right? Then for R it is 3, right? So 2 4 6 0. Okay, so this is RE. Okay, center spelling is wrong. Okay, this is CNTTRE, right? So obviously it was. So for R it is 3 and for E it is 4, right? So here you are getting 2 4 6 0 3 4. So yeah, obviously option B is the correct option. Correct it is. Okay, here it is center, CENTRE. Okay, so I can just take down this part. Okay, how to do it. So I hope you all have understood this example too. Okay, you all can take down this. Okay, let me rub this part. Okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. You all can take down this. Next, moving towards the next example, that is, in a certain code 562401 is written as 784623. How will 1526447 is written in the same code? So 56 is given over here. 56 this is written as this. Okay. Okay. So this is written as this. So how this is written as this, you have to find out. How will this number be written in the same code? So for this one, what we have done over here is, for this one, okay, here and here. So if you add plus 2, 5 plus 2 will give you 7. Okay, let me rub this part. Okay, here you all can see this clearly. 5 plus 2 will give you 7, 6 plus 2 will give you 8. Then 2 plus 2 will give you 4. Then 4 plus 2 will give you 6, 0 plus 2 will give you 2, 1 plus 2 will give you 3. So you are getting this. So same way you all have to write this as it is over here. Add 2. So 1 plus 2 will give you 3. 5 plus 2 will give you what? 7. 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 6 plus 2 will give you 8. 4 plus 2 will give you 6. 4 plus 2 will give you 9. So 3, 7, 4, 8, 6, 9. 3, 7, 4, 8, 6, 9. So option C is the correct option. Okay, you all can refer to this example over here. Therefore, you will get this, right? Next, moving to the next example. If 2 means 4 and 4 means 6 and 6 means 8 and 8 means 10, then which is the successor of 5? So what you'll have to do over here is, so basically the successor is what? Successor of 5 will be what? Successor of 5 they have asked, right? So successor of 5 will be 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So in this only they have given you 2 means 4, 4 means 6, so 6 means 8. Okay, so obviously it is given over here. 6 means 8. So obviously here 6 means 8 means, so correct option is what? Option C is the correct option. Okay, the explanation I have given you all in the next page also. I can take down the explanation from here. From here you can take down. Successor of 5 is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 and 6 means 8. Next, moving towards the next example, let us see. Example, if h is equal to 8, he is equal to 13 and hen is equal to 27, then hunt is equal to what? Okay. So I can use this example. Next, moving to this is the next example. Okay, if h is equal to 8, this I have already read. Options are given. Which option is the correct option? Here option C is the correct option. Now why option C is the correct option? Can you all tell me why option C is the correct option? Because here the explanation is given. Clearly in the given code, A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, 3 is equal to so on. Okay, because Hunt is equal to what? H is what? 8. It is given H is 8 plus U will be 21 plus N will be what? HUNT. N will be 14, T will be 20. And if you add all these numbers, 8 plus 21 plus 14 plus 20 will give you 63. Next, moving towards the next. So let us see what is symbol coding. Okay, I hope you all can see this clearly. So let us see what is the symbol coding. In symbol coding, symbols or figures are assigned to words. Example, if triangle means hexagon and hexagon means circle and circle means pentagon and pentagon means square, then which is not a polygon? So I'll have to say which is not a polygon over here. Let us see which is not a polygon. So it says that option A is the correct option. Now why option A is the correct option over here? I have given you all the explanation part. Okay, so let us see the explanation part over here. Let me rub this first. Okay, so let us see the explanation part. Okay, circle is not a polygon and circle means pentagon. Okay, here circle is not a polygon and it says that circle means pentagon. Okay, so obviously option A is the correct option. Okay, so I hope you all have understood today's topic, and thanks for watching.